2019 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, child safety locks, CD player, power windows, passenger airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.